Good afternoon, Techout here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AirPods 3. I have the AirPods 3 right here. I also have my AirPods Pro that we're going to be comparing these two for size and kind of just the design. I've had the AirPods since the very first generation AirPods 1. I have the second generation AirPods, and then I just picked these up yesterday, so I've had about 24 hours with them. I do have my AirPods Pro here in the Andor case. I actually have some Andor accessory videos coming up here shortly for the iPhone 13 case and the MagSafe wallet they have. So here's kind of a size comparison. This case is just a little bit smaller than the AirPods Pro case. And then if we take out one of the AirPods Pro and one of the AirPods 3 here, you can kind of see the design differences. The side right here is pretty much the same, but then of course you have the in-ear ear tip on the AirPods Pro that you don't have on the AirPods 3. As far as sound quality, they sound about the same as the AirPods 2, so it's not bad at all. They also have a little button right here. I don't know if it's touch sensitive or if it's an actual button or what, but right there it works a lot better than the one on the AirPods Pro. In my opinion, it's a lot easier to activate. I use it to play and pause music. You can use it to activate Siri and that kind of stuff. This MagSafe case sticks to MagSafe chargers, so if you have like the MagSafe battery pack or the MagSafe Duo or just a regular MagSafe puck charger, it actually sticks to it, so you can use your MagSafe battery pack and just kind of stick that to it, and if it's like in a bag or something like that, you don't have to worry about it falling off. You can actually charge it when it's not on a flat surface, or if you put it on like your MagSafe Duo or MagSafe charging puck, it lines up perfectly, so you don't have to question whether it's charging or not, or if it's going to fall off. It works very, very well. They also came out with that for the AirPods Pro, so if you buy AirPods Pro now, you can get them with the MagSafe charging case, but they are the same AirPods Pro inside. There's no difference on the headphones. So that is the AirPods 3. I really do like them. I think they're worth the $179. I like having both because sometimes I don't want a pair of like noise canceling in-ear headphones. I like the these kind of just throw them in your ear. You can still hear your surroundings perfectly fine and they're not in your ear. So that's why I do have both of them. They each have their purpose. I'll use these at like my computer for editing and stuff like that when I want a nice quiet environment. And then when I'm just watching like YouTube on my iPad or iPhone, I'll pop these in and have them right there ready to go. So there's the AirPods 3. This has been Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.